How to use 3D zoom effect in CapCut. So, let's enjoy this video watch until at the end and follow step by step. First, open the CapCut app and start the new project and import your photo that you want to make it. After import the video, already click on the video. And then click on Style. And find the type of name motion. Choose the 3D zoom. And the second or other photo, let do it. The same like the photo first. And we can add the effect for customize your video. That you make for look cool and have the style like your type of you. So, I choose this effect for make it to example to you. Finally, we got the result like this. It have the 3D zoom style and effect style. Thank you so much for watching this video until at the end. If you like, let's share it to your friends. So, see you in the next video.